Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 95. Solve these equations for t. 40 minus 3 equals 33. So this is a solving one unknown questions, and usually you will solve maybe at least 5 of similar tasks like this in your exam. So making sure we got it right. Let's do step by step. So we add 3 both sides. And always remember when you're working with the equation, it means you're looking at the scale dish. And the left hand side always equal the right hand side. Whatever you do one side, you need to do to another side so that it keep balance. For example, in this case, I add 3 both sides to isolate the t terms, which is 4t. So I have left with 4t. Okay, and this one is cancelled. I do opposite of what I see. So I see minus 3. So I do the opposite of what I see. Opposite of negative is positive, right? Of minus is additions. So 3, keep the same. Do both sides. It's because you want to keep it balanced. Alright, so now write the equal sign just straight from top to bottom. 33 add 3 is 36. Now, once you isolate t, I continue to divide both sides by 4. Why? Because 4t means 4 times t. And I just say do opposite. Opposite of the multiplication is the divisions. Okay, I do both sides with the same weight in the front of t, the coefficient in front of t. Okay, so that is 4. So t that equals 36 divided by 4 is 9. That 4 is cancelled because 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times t is t. Always keep in mind that if we have some letters, just like x, usually we see it, you will see 1x is the same as x, 1 times x is the same as x. You can see x divided by 1 is still x, or x to the power of 1 is still x. Okay, so making sure you're familiar with those. Even though it's the same thing, it's the same x, but sometimes it will have you kind of like have the idea to solve for a problem later. And also, how I got it quickly, 36 divided by 4 equals 9, is because I know my multiplication chart. It's really important to know it, so making sure you learn it. And we will have later videos about the multiplication chart and all of the information you need to know for this test. So the answer for this question is t equals 9. So this is the correct answer. In case that I forgot how to solve for this step by step like that, how can I still find the correct answer? Okay, so if you plug t in the left hand side, you see that you only have one position right here, right? And that is the value they give you right here, so you can check. Okay, you can check if 4 times 7.5 minus 3 is that equal 33. You keep the right hand side as it is. You check the left hand side to see if the answer of this is 33. You have the question mark, mean you're not sure until you do it. Okay, so 4 times 7 is 28. Okay, you add 4 times 0.5, that means 2 more. Okay, so how I got this? I got this. 4 times 7 plus 0.5. 0.5 is 7.5. 7 add 0.5, 7.5. I just separate it because it's easy for me to calculate. Or if you can do straight, just go ahead. But I use it to just make my brain work better. So it belongs to you, okay? So 28 and 2 is 30. 30 minus 3, that's 27. And 27 is not equal 33, so it's not the right answer. You will check everything until you find the correct answer. So 4 times 12 is 48 minus 3, 45. It's not 33. Okay. 9 times 4, 36 minus 3, 33. Yes. 8 times 4, 4 times 8 minus 3, 32 minus 3, 29. So it's not 33. So you see that 9 is the correct answer. So plug-in technique is also helpful. Sometimes you need it because you may spend less time to use the plug-in technique, but if you plug in wrong or you calculate wrong, that will be a trick. Okay. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time.